Hello and welcome to the Shri Academy online teaching classes. Today in English I am going to start lesson 4. The name of the lesson is Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Aladdin is a story which you have seen in cartoons, in films and storybooks also, and I hope all of you have enjoyed the character of Aladdin and its genie. But before enjoying the story, we should know the word meanings of difficult word because it makes our lesson easy to understand. So let's start reading the word meanings of hard words and its spelling also. As you can see that on the one side I have written the hard words and on the other side I have written the Hindi and English meaning both. Now the first word is street, S-T-R-E-E-T, street. Street means sadak, that means road. Once again I repeat, street. Street means sadak, that means road. Next word is stranger, S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R, stranger means ajnabi, that means a person who we does not know. Once again, stranger, that means ajnabi, a person whom we does not know. Next word is thought, T-H-O-U-G-S-T, thought, that means vichar, that means idea or view. Once again, thought means vichar, that means idea and next word is daring, D-A-R-I-N-G, daring. Daring means sahasi, that means boldness. Once again, daring. Daring means sahasi, that means boldness. Next word is bold, that means sahasik, that means confident and courageous. Once again, bold means sahasik, that means confident and courageous. Now the next word is kin, K-E-E-N, kin, that means utsuk, that means showing eagerness. Once again, kin, that means utsuk, that means showing eagerness. Next word is reached, R-E-A-C-H-E-D, reached means pahunchna, that means arrived. Once again, reached means pahunchna, that means arrived. Next word is surprised, S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D, surprised means आश्चर्यचकित. Once again, surprised means आश्चर्यचकित. Next word is sly, S-L-Y, sly, that means shatir, that means cunning. Once again, sly. Sly means shatir, that means cunning. Next word is gain, G-A-I-N, gain. Gain means labh. Once again, gain. Gain means labh. Next word is collected, C-O-L-L-E-C-T-E-D. Collected means ikattha, that means gathered. Once again, collected. Collected means ikattha, that means gathered. Next word is so called, S-O, so, C-A-L-L-E-D, called. So called means tatha kathit, that means not actually real. Once again, so called means tatha kathit, that means not actually real. Next word is wonderful, W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L. Wonderful, that means आश्चर्यजनक, that means extremely good. Once again, wonderful, that means आश्चर्यजनक, that means extremely good. Now the next word is lit, L-I-T, lit. Lit means deepak, that means lamp. Once again, lit. Lit means deepak, that means lamp. Now the next word is threw, T-H-R-E-W, threw. Threw means फेंकना. Once again, threw. Threw means फेंकना. Now the next word is shook, S-H-O-O-K, shook, that means हिलाकर रख दिया. Once again, shook. Shook means हिलाकर रख दिया. Now the next word is caved in, C-A-V-E-D, caved, I-N, caved in, that means धस गया, that means collapsed. Once again, caved in means धस गया, that means collapsed. Next word is नीचे, N-I-C-H-E, नीचे, that means ताखा, that means shelf in wall. Once again, niche, that means taka, that means shelf in wall. Now the next word is blow. Now the next word is niche, N-I-C-H-E, niche, that means taka, that means shelf in wall. Once again, niche. Niche means taka, that means shelf in wall. Now the next word is blow. BLOW, blow. That means फूंक मारना. That means expel air through pursed lips. Once again, blow. Blow means फूंक मारना. That means expel air through pursed lips. Now the next word is exactly. EXACTLY, exactly. That means बिल्कुल सही. That means accurately. Once again, exactly. That means बिल्कुल सही. That means accurately. Next word is narrow. NARROW, narrow. Narrow means tongue. That means restricted. Once again, narrow. Narrow means tongue. That means restricted. Next word is treasure. TREASURE. Treasure means khajana. That means a quantity of precious metal. Once again, treasure, that means khazana, a quantity of precious metal. Next word is rubies. RUBIES, rubies. That means manik, a precious stone. Once again, rubies. Rubies means manik. That means a precious stone. Now the next word is emeralds. EMERALDS, emeralds means panna, a bright green precious stone. Once again, emeralds means panna. That means a bright green precious stone. Next word is hips. HEAPS, hips means dher. That means lot. Once again, hips, that means dher. That means lot. Next word is priceless. PRICELESS, priceless. That means amulya. That means invaluable. Once again, priceless. That means amulya. That means invaluable. Next word is gems. GEMS, gems means joharat. Once again, gems. Gems means joharat. That means jewelry. Now the next word is surprise. SURPRISE, surprise. That means ashchar. Once again, surprise. Surprise means ashchar. Next word is corner. CORNER, corner. Corner means kona. Once again, corner. Corner means kona. Next word is rod. ROARED, rod means garajna. Once again, rod. Rod means garajna. Next word is thunder. THUNDER, thunder. Thunder means bijli. Once again, thunder. Thunder means bijli. Next word is slave. SLAVE, slave. Slave means gulam. Once again, slave. Slave means gulam. Now the next word is behold. BEHOLD, behold. That means nihana. See or observe. Once again, behold. That means nihana. That means see or observe. Next word is helpers. HELPERS, helpers. That means sahayak. That means assistant. Once again, helpers. Helpers means sahayak. That means assistant. Next word is exchange. EXCHANGE, exchange means adla badli. That means give something and receive something. Once again, exchange. Exchange means adla badli. That means give something and receive something. Now the next word is tricked. TRICKED, tricked. That means chakma dena. That means skillful. Once again, tricked. That means chakma dena. That means skillful. Now the next word is unconscious. UNCONSCIOUS. Unconscious means behosh. That means senseless. Once again, unconscious. That means behosh. That means senseless. Next word is appeared. APPEARED, appeared. That means dikhai diya. That means become visible. Once again, appeared. That means dikhai diya. That means become visible. Next word is realized. REALIZED, realize. That means ehsaas hua. That means understand clearly. Once again, realize. That means ehsaas hua. That means understand clearly. Okay, student. Thank you for today's class. Now this is your homework. You have to write and learn all the word meanings in your copy in beautiful writing, and also you have to learn the word meaning so that you can understand the lesson more clearly.